Take these push pins out. There's 3 on each side. Just use a trim tool. Pop these out. You can grab this panel and just fold it like this. Take these screws out. There's 4 of them. Use a T20 socket. From underneath, you have 2 screws on each side. Use a 7mm socket, take those out. On the side here, take these push pins out, just use a trim tool. Pop that out. There's probably one down there as well. This vehicle doesn't have it. And then take these screws out. Use a T20 socket. Take both of those out. Slide back. And through this area right here, use a 7mm socket. Take the screw out here. Then you can grab the bumper. Use a little bit of force. Just pop it out, just like that. You want to do the same on the other side. And just grab the bumper and just slide it off. On the back side of here, you need to remove this retainer right here. The best thing to do, or the easiest thing to do, would just be cut them and replace them, but sometimes you have to reuse them if you don't have a choice. So just use a pick or some pliers. You can bend them out a little bit. Just like that. There's another one on the other side. And these are clipped in right here, so if you get a pick, just get underneath. Just put a little pressure on the grill, pushing it down as you try to release these clips. There we go, comes right out. Now take the upper grill, line this up. Line all the tabs up and lock them in place. And we can put the retainers on, use a 10mm socket, push them on. If you're reusing the old ones, you can push them down on a bench and just hammer it with a hammer to flatten them out so they go on a little tighter. All right, line the bumper up on both sides. Just line these up. Take the 7mm screw, line this up, snug that down. And line this up. You can put the push pin in. If you had one down below, put that one in as well. Put these screws in. Tighten these down on both sides. Underneath, get these 2 screws started on both sides. Tighten them down. Put these bolts in. And tighten them down. Slide this panel back in place and put the push pins in, lock them down. Do the same on this side.